Yes, water damage restoration is one of the smartest add-on services a contractor can offer because it brings in steady, high-value work and often leads to bigger jobs like flooring, drywall, and full remodels afterward. Think of it like this. When a pipe bursts or a storm floods a basement, homeowners need help fast, and they are usually willing to pay well because it is an emergency, not something they can shop around slowly for. Water damage restoration means drying out the space, removing anything ruined like carpet or soggy wood, checking for mold, and making sure the structure is safe again. Here is something not many people know. Insurance companies often prefer working with contractors who are certified in restoration because it speeds up claims and reduces disputes, so getting a certification like the one from the Institute of Inspection Cleaning and Restoration certification can actually help you get chosen over other companies. Another cool fact is that the first 48 hours after water damage are the most important because mold can start growing in as little as 1 to 2 days, so contractors who respond quickly become the ones people trust and refer to others. One common mistake is thinking you can just dry things out and call it done, but hidden moisture behind walls or under flooring causes mold weeks later, so always use a moisture meter to check before closing up a job. Another misconception is that any general contractor can jump into restoration work without training, but insurance companies and homeowners often ask for proof of certification, so investing in that training early builds trust and gets you more referrals. A lot of people also forget that documentation matters just as much as the repair itself. So always take before and after photos since that protects you and speeds up insurance payments. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message them back, and offer their estimates.